Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2006 Honda Pilot. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Firestone Destination tires. Taking a look inside at the leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio and cruise controls. Kenwood stereo is here. You have your climate controls and dual heated seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Honda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.